Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is Google AdSense, its types, advantages and disadvantages of Google AdSense. So let's start the video. First of all, we discuss what is Google AdSense. Website integrations. Website owners and bloggers can sign up for Google AdSense that are the place codes of their websites. These codes generated the units which can be customized their terms of size, style and placement. Ads display. Google AdSense use conceptual and targeting for analyzing the content and web pages. This is display relevant advertisement. This means that ads displayed the often related to the content on the page. Marketing then more likely for its interest and website's visitor. Third is revenue generation. When visitors click on interact with these are ads, website owners earn money. AdSense operated pay per click PPC or cost per impression CPM basics, meaning publishers and paid fan users either click on ads and simply views them. Next is payment. Website owner can receive a payment from Google once they research in the certain earning their holds and which may be have to vary depending on the country payment and typically made throughout bank transfer or check. And last is ad content. Advertisers and pay Google that have their own ads displayed throughout AdSense. Google takes a portion of revenue generated from of these ads and rest is paid for website owner. Google AdSense is an convenient way to website owners to generate income from their online content. It is relatively easy to get started. However, it is to be successful and essential to have high quality original content, comply with AdSense policies and drive traffic for your website increases the chance of clicks and revenues. AdSense provide a way for both small and large websites owners that are monetize their content without needing to have direct relationships with advertisers. Now we discuss advantages and disadvantages of Google AdSense. Google AdSense offers several advantages and disadvantages depending on your goals and how to use it. Here are the some key advantages and disadvantages of using Google AdSense. First of all, we discuss advantages of Google AdSense. First is easy to use. Google AdSense is relatively easy to set up and they're integrated to websites or blog. Google provides step-by-step instructions and tools to make their process straightforward. Monetization opportunity. It provides the way of website owner to monetize their online content and generated revenue making. It is popular choice for bloggers, content creator or website owner. Conceptual advertising. AdSense uses a conceptual targeting, which means it is display ads related and content or a website. This can increases their relevance ads and visitors, politely lenders and high click throughout rates. Large advertiser base. Google has vast a network of advertisers which can result in broad range and ads being to displayed on your site potentially increases your revenue. Customization. Website owners can customize their appearance of placement and ads match a look for free and feel for their websites, helping to improve the user's experience. Next is ad revenue reporting. AdSense provide detailed reporting and analytics for allowing to the track and performance including clicks, impression and earnings. And last is global reach. AdSense is available all publishers in many countries, making it accessible in a global audience. Now we discuss disadvantages of Google AdSense. Revenue share. Google takes a portion of ads and revenue, so you don't receive 100% of the earning. This is extract revenue share depend on the types of ads and other factors. Next is competition. With a vast number of visiting using AdSense, competition of their clicks and be high, partially reducing their earning for individual publishers. Ads quality control. While AdSense aims and display the relevant ads, there is no complete control over the specific shown on their sites. In some cases, ads may be not be eligible for their sites and they have to content or their audience. Click fraud. Publisher need to validate about click fraud which can be occur when individual or fraudulent clicks and generated to in-flight marketing that are Google and mechanism in the places of detected and prevent this, but it is remains a consideration. Next is content quality requirements. To be eligible for AdSense, your website or content meet Must Google's quality and policy guideline. This can be a barrier for some websites and bloggers. Next is earning thresholds. You must be have to certain earning, that is threshold, and before you can start it with your Windows and earning, which can be have to challenging in a new and low traffic websites.